Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video ay magre-review na naman tayo ng isang lending application na kung saan ay nagpapautang daw sila up to 20,000 pesos. And take note guys, nasabi sa kanilang application na 0% interest. But before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na, hit ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa upcoming videos and tutorials and mapabilang din kayo sa mga upcoming mga pag-giveaways natin. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video nga guys is magre-review na naman tayo ng isang lending application na kung saan ay nagpapautang daw sila up to 20,000 pesos guys. And 0% interest. Ayon sa kanilang application, sabi dito, we offer loan 1,000 to 25,000 pesos. Wow! So, hindi pala parehas ng nilagay sa about application dun sa kanilang dashboard. So, anyways, sabi dito na loan interest minimum of 0% per year. Wow! To 18% per year. So, transaction fee, 0. Ayan. And loan term nito is 91 days to maximum of 365 days. So, ang lending application na ito guys ay si Peso PH. Ayan. So, Philippine Prenup Financing Corporation ang may-ari dito guys. And meron silang 4.6 na stars and 4 case reviews. Ayan. So, medyo marami-rami na rin guys ang gumamit sa kanila and nag-download sa kanila guys. Ayan. And ayon sa kanilang application, sabi dito nga, 0 interest. Ayan. Walang interest na pagkakataon para sa inyong unang pautang. Medyo kakaiba yung Tagalog nila. Parang translator ata to guys. Pagkakaiba-iba. Ayan. And nababaluktot. Parang hindi ko maintindihan. Pala kaibigan. Friendly. Ayan. And yan na nga si Peso PH. So, download na natin guys. And upon downloading guys, ay magpapakita dito to ensure successful loan application, app need to collect the following information sa ating location, device information of the borrower. Ayan. And yung app list of the borrower. So, yung mga application daw natin. Ayan. So, click na rin ng I agree and then confirm natin kung gusto nating i-push through yung loan. Okay? So, meron din silang pa-tips guys dito. Collect and monitor information about your devices. So, yun na nga guys. I-collect na yung information sa ating phone guys. Ayan. Kahit sabi natin na ayaw natin or minimal yung gusto natin. Pero pag click natin ng allow is automatic na yun guys na makikita nila ang ating phone, yung ating mga install application, whatever, ayan. So, confirm, ayan. And then after which ay hihingi sila ng phone number, active phone number, and mag-send sila ng verification code. Upon entering guys, ayan, click natin yung login, and then ayan na guys. So, kanina sabi nila 25,000 pesos ang pwede na nilang ipautang. Ngayon naman is maximum amount of 40,000 pesos. So, ayan guys. So, 40,000 pesos and payable in 120 days. And sabi dito, apply immediately. So, click natin yung apply immediately. And then, after which guys is tatanungin ang ating personal information, syempre. So, for the first time user ay tatanungin agad-agad ang personal informations. So, like educational level, ayan. So, educational level, marital status, number of children, length of stay, living city, residential address, residence status, and yung kung ilang month tayong nakatira sa isang o sa ating address, ayan. So, have you been overdue within 6 months? Yung sa ating loan naman yun, guys. And then, how much do you owe? Ayan. So, ayan, i-click lang natin yun, guys. Pipili natin 0 or kung magkano ang ating mga na utang sa mga ibang application or kung meron pa tayo existing, ayan. So, after which guys, yung ating phone number or yung second phone number or alternative phone number, ayan, ilalagay daw dito. And then, next one is yung employment information natin naman. Okay? So, self-employed. Ayan. Kung self-employed ka or employed, kung may pinagtatrabahuan ka. Ayan. So, ilagay natin kung ilang years tayo doon. And then, yung income. Ayan. And then, next natin. After which, guys, is ang ating contact information. Okay? Nangangailangan sila ng tatlo, guys, na contact information or contact reference. Ayan. So, sabi dito, select 3 contacts, the amount will increase. Ayan. And then, ilagay natin select in relationship, contact number, ayan. And then, after which, guys, is yung ating social information. Take note, guys, social information. So, hihingi sila ng ating Gmail account and yung Facebook link ng ating account or yung nickname sa account. Ayan. So, Facebook link talaga yung ilalagay, guys. So, ito na yung mga ID na kailangan nila. So, UMID ID, SSS, TIN, Passport, Voters ID, National ID, ayan, PRC, Postal, Driving License, and yung PhilHealth. Ayan. So, basically, ilalagay na lang natin yung anong napili natin and yung card number, ayan, and then yung pa-picture. So, picturean natin yung ID and yung pa-selfie ni Mayor. Ayan. So, hindi na yun bago, guys. So, left, right, and then front yung picture ng pa-selfie. Ganyan. Okay? So, after which, guys, is yung loan withdrawal naman ang kanilang hihingiin kung anong gagamitin natin as withdrawal channel. Like yung bank, yung e-wallet, or yung sa over the counter. Like yung RD Pawn Shop, ganyan. So, choose withdrawal method, e-wallet, or bank transfer. Yun daw po ang recommended. Ayan, guys. So, after which, guys, after natin nailagay lahat ng information na kailangan dito sa application na ito, ay ayan na. So, bubukan na ang pautang na first na pwede na lang ipautang sa atin. Ayan. So, loan amount is 2,929. Okay, so yung sabi nilang 25,000 and then naging 20,000 and then naging 40,000 ay ito po ang first loan sa kanila. Ayan si screenshot, guys. So, 2,929 and meron naman yung mga detail na deduction dito, guys. Okay, so makikita nyo dyan. 10% or 10 pesos or 10.99 pesos per day ang technical services o yung parang service charge. Ayan. So, sa mga iba siguro service charge, pero dito, guys, ang ginamit dito is technical services. Ayan, kung ano yung mga technicalities nila. So, 1,319 yung ikakaltas dun sa loanable amount, which is yung 2,929. So, less 1,319. So, magiging 1,610 lamang po ang ating marireceive, guys. Ayan, sa daily interest, sabi dito, is 0%. So, wala naman siyang, zero yung interest niya, pero, malaki naman yung technical services na binawas. So, yun, guys. And meron silang repayment plan, ayan. So, first installment daw, babayaran natin 2,900. Wow! And then, next is yung 29 pesos. After, how many days? And, yung payment pala nito, guys, is hindi 91, hindi 15, hindi 30 days, kundi 7 days po, guys. Meron silang option, guys, kung saan ay pwede daw nating i-delete yung account natin, yung mga pinaglalagay natin dito. So, ang gagawin lamang is cancel natin yung application, ayan, and then magbabak tayo dun sa pinaka-homepage, dun sa my dashboard. Ayan, and meron dito sa mga account natin sa baba, ayan, click natin yun, and meron dito yung delete account, ayan. So, pag click natin ng delete account, ay meron yung parang agreement ng deletion. Nasa inyo, guys, kung babasahin nyo or hindi. And then, click natin yung parang maliit na button or maliit na box sa baba, and then, confirm deletion. Pero for me, guys, ay hindi ako sure kung i-delete talaga nila yung ating ating information doon. 50-50 ako. Kung sa akin lang, guys, is 50-50, guys. Okay? Kasi nag-agree na tayo nung kanina. So, meaning, nakuha na nila yung ating mga information, location, whatever application sa ating phone. Ayan. So, hopefully, ay sa kanilang deletion, guys, is talagang madidelete yung account natin dun. So, comment down below, guys, sa mga naka-experience kay Pesos PH, kung magkano ang first loan din ninyo, and kung anong experience nyo sa application na ito. Ayan. So, thank you for watching, and I hope na nakatulong ang video ito sa mga naghahanap ng utangan ngayong 2024.